But what if today could be different? What if you had a monitor that could keep up with your gaming sessions and office work without breaking a sweat? That's exactly what I've been experimenting with, folks. The KTC 27-inch curved monitor has revolutionized my workspace and gameplay experience. Let me tell you why. First off, this 1440p curved gaming monitor is a beast. It features a stunning color gamut of 129% sRGB, which means you get to enjoy exceptional detail in games, movies, and office work. I mean, have you ever had a 4K movie on a smaller screen? It's like watching a high-definition video on a giant TV, it's that good. But what really sets this monitor apart is its HDR400 technology. Imagine having images that are not only more vibrant but also more lifelike. The 400 candelas per square meter brightness and 4000:1 contrast ratio make all the difference in immersive gaming experiences. When I play games on this monitor, I feel like I'm right in the middle of the action. And let's talk about the graphics card performance. With its 144Hz refresh rate, this monitor is compatible with adaptive sync technology. That means even in fast-paced games, you'll get a smooth visual experience without screen tearing. No more frustration from laggy gameplay, this monitor has got your back. But it's not just about raw specs, the 1500R curvature of the monitor also provides an incredible viewing experience. It reduces visual distortion and enhances comfort during extended viewing sessions. I've spent hours on end gaming and watching videos without feeling fatigued, thanks to this feature alone. Now, let's talk about the connectivity options. With HDMI 2.0x2 and DP1 4x1 ports, you can connect your devices with ease. Plus, VESA wall mounting and adjustable -5 degrees to 20 degrees tilt make it easy to set up in any environment. And, as an added bonus, low blue light and flicker-free technology reduce eye strain. So what does owning this monitor mean for you? It means you can enjoy seamless gaming and office work experiences without any distractions or eye strain. You'll be able to focus on what matters most, whether that's crushing it in your favorite game or getting work done efficiently. I've been using this monitor for a while now, and I gotta say, it's been a game changer. Trust me when I say that once you try the KTC 27-inch curved monitor, you'll stop reaching for your old one. Don't settle for anything less, upgrade to the best and see the difference for yourself. Check out the link below to get the best price on this incredible monitor.